An earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from the sudden release of energy in the earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves.
What to do before an earthquake? Prepare a survival kit which contains food, water, medicine, and other necessary needs. Know where the emergency exit or evacuation area is. And know the emergency hotline list.
During an earthquake, quickly duck, cover, and hold. Remember to stay calm and stay away from furnitures, pointy objects, and windows. Remember to only go out after the shaking.
After earthquake, head count and stay alert for aftershock.